Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop. It's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to apply a pattern to any type of wall or fence or any type of background to an image within Adobe Photoshop. A very simple process for you to follow, but as you can see, quite visually impactful. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just remove these two top layers by pressing backspace and starting off with my original image. I do also have the pattern already underneath, ready for me to use. And what we're going to do is just turn that layer off after swapping layers around. Now, what I need to do is make a selection of our subject here, of our lady. So I'm going to make sure the layer is highlighted. I'm going to come to my object selection tool. And let's change this to rectangle. I'm just going to come over here and draw a nice rectangle over her and let Photoshop do the work in the sense of selecting her. Wonderful job. Now, what I need to do is apply a duplicate to this layer. The shortcut to do that is Command J on a Mac or Control J on Windows, and it will only duplicate what's inside of that selection, i.e. the lady. Wonderful. Now let's turn back our pattern layer again, and I'm just going to swap the layers around like so. And we're just going to move this into place probably around here, let's say. And then what I'm going to do is change the blending mode to multiply. And we're going to press Command T, just get this sized a little bit better on our fence here. Like so. We may even go right click and skew it a little bit just to give it more of a realistic angle, let's say. Nice. There we go. Maybe bring that down a tad here. Okay, scale. Bring that down there. Okay, and what I want to do is give a bit of realism at the bottom here. I'm just going to apply a layer mask to that layer, and let's come through with our brush. Make sure we've got a soft round brush, and we're using the color black in the foreground color there. Just come through and lightly touch on the bottom of the pattern there, just to make it look a little bit disheveled and worn. Let's say we may even move the pattern up a little bit, just using the arrow keys, just so we touch the top of the fence there, like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you apply any type of patterns to any walls within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, guys, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis. So please, please, please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.